Hello everyone, I'm Ryan from Spartan Host. Today I'm going to be showing you how to upload your own world or your own files to your server from your computer. The very first thing we need to do is log into Multicraft. So if you just go to cp.spartanhost.net like this, you'll see a page like this, then press the login button and enter your details. After this, go to your servers tab, and then you should only see probably one or two servers depending on how many you have with us. And then just click on your server. What we need to do next is go to Files and FTP File Access. All of this will involve FTP. You'll then be brought to a page with your FTP details. What we need to do next is get an FTP client. You can use the web clients we have here, but it's only really very suitable if you're uploading single files rather than folders. So if you just type into Google FileZilla and then press client download. I've got Windows, so I've already downloaded Windows, but there's versions for Linux and for Mac as well, which you can download there. So after you install FileZilla, you'll get a page like this. You just press Control S, or on a Mac you can press the Command key plus S as well to get the same menu up. After you've done that, just hit New Site. I'll call it Ryan's Server 2. And then on the right hand side we're going to have to enter all of the details from Multicraft. So we just got the IP, which is the host. Port you can leave blank because we use port 21, which is the default anyway. Leave those two as they are. And then login type normal. And we're going to enter a username there. And then our password is just our Multicraft password. Then after that, just hit connect. Right, I haven't actually started my server yet, so my directory is completely empty. So what I'm going to do first is upload some server files. So I'm just going to select all of these and unselect a few. To start off, I'm not going to upload any worlds, just plugins. It's always good to unselect your jar file because there could be a chance that your jar file is outdated. But if you know it is updated, then you can copy it if you like as well. So if you just drag all of those over there, and they will start uploading. Or you can search for your server or your files on your computer in the left-hand side pane as well, and then drag them over that way. On Mac, I believe that is what you will be forced to do instead of this. You can also, if you right click, you can also hit upload if even dragging from here to there doesn't work either. In this case, I will just drag as it works on my Windows computer. And then you notice down here there's queued files, and you'll see them all being uploaded. And if you want to stop a file from being uploaded while it's in the list, just press the delete key on the file, like I'm doing here. But you shouldn't have to do that anyway. You can see the number of files down here and how big the queue is down there in kilobytes and megabytes and gigabytes. And there we go. All our server uploaded with one single world. If you just want to upload a world, all you need to do is drag a world such as one we have here, such as world EN, for example. Drag it onto a file, never drag it into a folder. So if I upload the end as well there, I just drag it on top of a file. So we look down here, see when it's done, and it's done. There's no files left. So that's my server completely uploaded now to a completely clean directory. If you had files in your directory before, you need to go Control and then A and delete them all first if you want to upload your server. But I did start mine, so it already is a clean directory. So if we just go back, we can then select our jar. By default, it's on default. So in this case, I'm going to say Spigot, which if you didn't know is a performance optimized version of Bucket basically. So if you want to use Bucket, use Spigot. It's far better performance-wise, but it's the same functionality. And of course, make sure you hit save, very important. And then simply just hit start, and the Spigot jar will be copied over. And as you can see here, our server is starting up. And there we go, startup done. Okay. Well, then just join the server. There we go. I didn't upload a world, so it's generated a new world here for me. And I got Multiverse installed, which we do recommend if you want to use multi-worlds. And I can teleport to worlds such as the cruise world I uploaded. So that's basically it. If there's anything you don't understand or get confused about, or something goes wrong, do not hesitate to contact our support team. You can do this in two ways. You can either open a support ticket on our billing panel, which is billing.spartanhost.net, and probably very likely the site you're viewing this video from. And the other option is, of course, our live chat, which is available on the bottom corner of all our web pages. So please avail of those two support methods if something goes wrong. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.